Let us see the program for the stack using arrays. Here we have to take an array ARR and we want to take one variable to change the positions of the stack to insertion and deletion. We have to use the top variable and specifies the size of a stack, So we have to take three variables. One is size, one more is an array, and one is top. So we are using a class name stack custom. Stack custom is a class we are going to develop. So we are also using the stack custom constructor, argument constructor we are using. So the next 7th line here, stack custom integer size. So this integer size is coming from the main program execution, when the new operator used to create the dynamic object creation. Okay, at the constructor we are passing that argument size. So this dot size is equal to size. Here this is a pointer. To point the particular size variable. So this size dot size is equal to size. We are initializing the what is the size coming from the constructor, that initialized to the variable size. At the same time we are creating an array. This point array is equal to new of size of integer type of array. Next we are initializing top is -1. So these three are the basic initialization for a stack creation. Basic initialization by using the constructor. Okay, next we have to go to the push operation. See the push operation at the 13th line, push operation by using public function and with the void return type, and we are passing one more argument, pushed element. This element is coming from the same when we are sending the calling the function in the main execution. So when we are if you want to insert an element, we have to definitely check is full or not. Suppose I want to insert the 5 elements or beyond the size, it will say stack is full. So if it is not full, we can insert the element. How can we insert the element? So we have to increment the top variable. From the top variable by using the array, we can push the element. So push element argument. Here integer push element is an argument. We have to push into the stack by using the top size. So first here they have checked that if is full is not. So not symbol is in front of the is full function. So what is the is full? Is full is a one of the function that we have to write at the down of these functions. Okay, is full function. Let us check the where is full. Is full condition here in the 15th line is full function is given. Is full stands for returns the size -1 is equal to top. So if the top is equal to the size -1, suppose our elements 0 to 4, size is 4. So size -1 is 4. If those two are the same, double equal to comparison operator. If those two are equal, we have to say that is a full condition. So what the condition here, public boolean is a data type which specifies either true value or false value. That's why it is a true. True stands for 0 value. False stands for -1 value. Okay, go to the push function. So in the push function, we have to check that in the 14th line, if is full is not full kanapudu. So we have to increment the top variable and the top size we have to insert it by using an array and assign the push element into the top. Assign the push, nothing but pushing the element into the top. So we have to specify identification element is pushed. Next, if it is not empty, nothing but if it is a full, here first condition we have checked here 14th line is not full. So else condition is full, nothing but all the elements are inserted, nothing inside to any position to insert the element. So else condition we have to specify stack is full. Okay, just reverse we are developing sometimes. Okay, else here stack is full. Next, pop condition. So pops one more condition to check while we are using the pop. What we have to check? If nothing inside the stack, we cannot remove any element from the stack. Okay. So in the condition in the 24th line, they have used if is empty, is not empty. Not empty condition nothing but so something even one element are existed in the stack, that we have to call. They have taken one more variable here in the form function. They have declared integer type of return top value on the top position, top value. So they have take the top element into the return top. So they are taking the top element to the return top. After that we have to reduce the size, because if 4 elements are inserted, 5 elements, so I have removed that the fourth position element, nothing but fifth element. Then we have to change the top value to the third position. Okay, so this is the function. We have to specify return what we have returned from the top, that we have returned to the function. Else it's nothing but is empty. Suppose stack is empty. Empty stands for -1. That we have to specify in the 30th line, 31st line. See that system out print stack is empty. Empty stands for return -1. So stack is -1 condition, top -1. Next, peak statement. Peak stand for to locate the topmost element of the stack. How can you see? If nothing inside, we cannot check stack is any elements existed. So we have also check that is stack is empty or not. If nothing inside, we cannot see. So that is also one of the condition that we have to check is empty. So if not empty, we can return the top of the variable. We can return the top of the variable. For that, they have to use the 36th line public integer. So they are returned integer type value. So they have to use the return type integer. Else, if stack is empty, so we cannot say anything. So stack is empty and return the -1 value. So I already told you is empty condition. Is full stands for all the elements of the given size is full. So I have given the size 5, nothing but fourth position also filled. We can say that top and size are at the same size, top, because every insertion top is going to increment, every deletion top is going to decrement, decrementation those will be done by using the top. So if the top at the size -1 position, so nothing but from the 0 to 4, nothing but fourth position. If the top is at 4, nothing but size -1, 5 elements stands for 5 - 1 4. So those two are same is a full condition. After that, they have implemented the main program. They have taken the 55th line stack custom. They have created one more object with a new operator with the constructor 10 value they have initializing. Okay, 10 sizes stack size. And next they have pop. Pop stands for removing. Here we doesn't inserted any element. Here the 10 is the size of an array, not the element inserted. So if you are nothing inside, so the pop says it is an empty. See the output also, first statement is empty because nothing elements existed, because top is -1 position. After that, in the 58th line, they have inserted push 10 value. Next 30, 50, 40. Here we are inserted all the elements will be one by one. So first is 10. Next at the top of the 10, 30 inserted. At the top of the 30, 50 is inserted. At the top of the 50, 40 is inserted. So just like that. So what is the topmost element? 40, because top is first insert, that is at the down, 50 is inserted, after that 40 is inserted. So 40 is the top peak position. So whenever we want to remove, only 40 will be we can remove, because at the top there is a 40 element only, not a 10, because 10 at the down. So only one and nothing but at the top value is the 40, so we can remove only 40 elements. See the output here, pushed elements are 10, 30, 50, 40. So pop elements nothing but which element will come first? Not 10, only 40, because top position will be removed, because stack property is that 40, next 50, 30. These are the basic operations of the stack. These are the basic execution of a stack. Okay, we can check it out and execute all the programs.